Utalo Munini wa Enenthi Niweeyumilya Umunthi Isioni Kivathukan'yo Nthini wa Iseso ya Kwiyiandikithya Akuni Kula Iseso Yila Yavinguwa ni Nzama ya Unyuvani na Mivaka IEBC na Yivaniiye Kuandikithya utalo wa Akuni Kula Millioni 3.3 vanthi ya Kenya Sara Ibrahim ulaungamite Iseso yiku ya matongolo ewetakana nziyasya matukwa ni kutumika kuandikithya Enenthi kwivo kumulika metho Akuni Kula kwosambano sya moko kana fingerprints na kukona visa wa mukuni wa Kula boni mutisia nukuelesya mbiange.
Muthenya wa mbere tinaanza Mivaka IEBC Yavinguwa Iseso ya kuandikithya Akuni Kula amwika ni mandiano thutha muno Kwiyumilya Kwiyiandikithya Akuni Kula kwithwa ingimo matonya thwa matai na miaka itonya ukona kura nthini wa Iseso ya vetie miaka 3 mivitu.
We are doing voter registration, the continuous voter registration. We started today from 8 a.m. This is an exercise that is continuous. It will be happening within our offices. And so we are calling those people who have not registered to come to the office and register. Kibwezi East office is located at Lutheran Guest House, and we are registering those who have not registered.
The Gen Zs, the young people who have now gotten IDs and are not yet registered as voters, we passionately appeal to you to come in large numbers and register as voters. It is your right to vote. It is your right to register. This is your constitutional right that you need to fulfill. So
Iseso yile twamendhini iliumbunga sio ndasi ya Kenya ateo kula kwina usakwani utwaiwe kana usakwani ula kuna kwa ilungwithio mwe yukite.
Our doors are open from 8 to 5 in all the constituency offices in the 290 apart from those who have by-elections. Those where there are by-elections, until the by-elections are done, their register is closed, and so we will not be able to register for the constituencies that have by-elections.
Nikanezi so hivyo ya kwela Nzama Nthini makaivu itumenza siya matukwa ya kufukumulika Enenthi metho koza siya sio ndomuna kumakuna visa nukana mati mitlata ila ya ilite kuandikithwa.
It is now a better system than the one that we're using. What we used to use ni ile BVR, that big machines. Nowadays it is this view, small tablets. It has to capture all the biometrics including the iris. Now even the iris is being scanned. All that is done to ensure that it is technology is progressively being incorporated in our electoral management, and so the system, we have no challenge with it, and you will see when you come to register, and I know you are already registered, so for those who are coming to register, they will actually going to see and verify.
Anikanaina ndima kune kura na udhasio Nzama nune kwithwa nenganite mwenye wadhamise kura Isioni Kivathukan'yo othesolayo utwaiwa vindani Enenthi mekwithwa Kwiyiandikithya Akuni Kula.
And those who may wish to transfer their vote from a ward to another ward, or a registration center to another registration center, or from one constituency to another constituency, we are also doing the transfers, and also change of particulars for those who may have changed their names, especially the ladies when maybe they have gotten married since the last time they registered.
Kaundini ya Masako, Nini Toboni, Mutisia.